is gonna be my last try for the day. I might switch over to something else though. Maybe I'll go play some League of Legends. Yeah, because that's so much better. No, I'm serious. I do play League with my buddy though, so I might play with him a little bit today. If he gets on.
I will
I don't like playing by myself.
honor.
But I might play a game of ARAM or something. Ugh, it's a horrible draw. This is my Dragodin deck, my Dragon Paladin deck. Been a while since I played it, but we'll see how I do. Bro, and it gives me Brightwing? Alright. The game gods might be in my favor today. Yeah. I am now imbued. Alright, hopefully this game finishes as well as it starts, so. Leroy Jenkins, pop all in, yeah! Is there only one? There was, okay. Let's do... Three dragons in my hand, let's see which one copies. Ah, damn it. Alright. Worth a shot. That's worth the luck of the draw in this game.
Once upon a time. We are friends now. Hello, friend.
Getting free legendaries is kind of broken. It's second or third free legendary I got. I think this one might have come with me. So second free legendary from just these dragons. Let's see what else I get.
I wonder.
Oh, it's my turn. Sorry, I was so excited I forgot it was still my turn. I really need a win though. This is like my third loss in a row. I've already lost, yeah, 3 times in a row. So I really need a win, guys. I gotta get out of bronze, because bronze is honestly, I think, one of the hardest leagues because there's so many people just jumping in that could be from any rank. Let's throw this one
The
up.
time ways are safe.
Yeah, I should be doing pretty good on this one. As long as I don't have anything shiesty up their sleeves.
We are friends now. Hello, friend.
That is actually a horrible one to get. That egg is crap. Let's go. See what I get from this. See what I get from this. I'll use that one next turn.
For no storm.
I'm gonna hammer hard. I'm finally gonna get a win out of this. Ugh. This is my old reliable dragon deck. I've been working on this one for a while. Well played. Well played. What did that? There, I set him in a set to death rattle, deal 2 damage to him. Oh, an aura would be broken. I can do this though.
Another realm awaits.
And I have Brightwing in my deck. Nah, let's do Brightwing.
We are friends.
Oh, actually, if I'd done that, I could have done Brightwing for free, but it's fine.
Job's done.
I don't think I have any Kindred cards in my deck, so I don't think this guy's gonna do much. Torga. Wish it was Tortuga. Tortuga. This is a random legendary. Tortuga, or whatever the giant freaking turtle is. Come on, I can bait this guy. How many cards have my deck? My hand. 7, not bad, alright. Not using one. Oh, God. Alright, so throw that out. That out.
Embrace corruption.
I'll give this. Oh, that's a death rattle. Oh, that's even better. You think I'm stupid enough to attack that? No, I'm not gonna freaking help you.
Job done.
Rawr!
Well played.
That'll last for 2 more rounds. It's ending my turn, right? Yep. I get a taunt minion every time. Only MB1, which really sucks right now. I need more imbues. Once I get those, I'll lay this guy out. That'll allow me to get better imbues. It'll double the imbue on them.
Once upon a time.
That one.
Another realm awaits.
Good, good, good. I've got this one, but I need 11.
Job's done.
Oof, I've got. Alright, next turn I'll be able to throw out more taunt.
Justice
Finally, I
demands
get a deck that
retribution.
freaking works for me. I forgot how broken my Dragodin deck is. Sorry, Drunken Tiger. I don't know if you're new or what, but this is a broken deck.
Patience. I don't have time for
That
that.
wasn't very smart. You should have used it on your own character. I don't have any Kindred cards, so this shouldn't do anything, which is good because I don't want any more cards in my hand. I'm gonna throw up this taunt,
Finds me in the dream.
take that out, and this will by 2. That's good for later, actually. So let's do that. Okay, no taunt until the turn. I'm not too concerned.
State your business with the bronze.
Okay. I need to clear out these guys. Just take them away.
Listen.
That's fine. So now I go like this, and then
The sands will scour the fluttering.
they're gonna try and hard focus my Chrono Lord Deos because Battle Cries, Death Rattles, Hero Powers, and End of Turn effects trigger twice. So once I drop this out, it's gonna give Like he's going the hard game too, but I'll be able to wreck him this turn. Aha! Oh! Interesting. Oh, because he used... Alright, that's... I guess works.
Clock is ticking.
Alright, this will be fun. This will be fun. Come on. Oh! Alright. Woo! What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? This is fucking broken. I'm gonna get 9. I'll be up to 9. Hold on. Yeah!
That was a mistake.
Alright, now I throw up this. Which I'll get 2 of those at the end, which is totally great. Get rid of this guy. Focus your ass. That'll shuffle 4 into my deck. Hold on. Let's see if he doubles. It should go up to 4, 4. Plus 4, plus 4.
A recurring dream. Must move quickly.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. I'm gonna imbue so hard right now. This dude is screwed. Oh. I feel so... Honestly, I kind of feel sorry for them. They'll fill up their deck with fireballs. And they're going to try to bombard me. I know it. But... as long as this guy is here, they are screwed. I want this guy to die. I need him to die. Oh, what did he do? What? Ah, okay. This person's not playing smart. He should have attacked the Chrono Lord.
You won this time.
Oh, I didn't get to have fun. Oh, finally I got a good hand, a good deck. All right, first win of the day.